Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of US Air Force military aviation, featuring some of the most massive cargo planes like the Antonov and powerful helicopters that dominate the skies. If you love the sound of roaring engines and the thrill of flight, you're in the right place. Let's take off. The Antonov aircraft are true sky giants. These cargo planes are designed to transport military vehicles, tanks, and even helicopters across continents. With their massive wingspan, powerful turbofan engines, and unmatched payload capacity, they're often seen supporting international military missions, humanitarian aid, and rapid deployment exercises. Antonov and 124 can carry over 150 tons of cargo. That's like lifting more than 100 cars at once. On the other side of the skies, we have the US Air Force helicopters. These versatile machines are the backbone of rescue missions, troop transport, and special operations. The Black Hawk is fast, agile, and P-erect,